It's a perfect summer evening. You're at a barbecue, flipping burgers and chatting with friends. As the sun sets, you notice a familiar, unwelcome guest, the mosquito. You swat at one, then another. Soon you're covered in itchy red bites. But strangely, some of your friends seem completely unfazed. They're enjoying the evening bite-free. So why is it that mosquitoes seem to prefer some people over others? The answer, it turns out, is a complex mix of factors. Mosquitoes, those tiny vampires of the insect world, have developed highly sensitive systems for finding their next meal you. They're not just randomly choosing their victims. Instead, they use a combination of cues to identify and target individuals who are particularly appealing. Understanding what attracts mosquitoes is the first step in protecting yourself from their bites. It's not just about avoiding itchy welts. Mosquito bites can transmit serious diseases. By learning about the science behind mosquito attraction, you can take steps to reduce your risk and enjoy your time outdoors. Mosquitoes are masters of detection, and they have a few key tools at their disposal to find their next blood meal. One of the most important is their sense of smell, but they're not attracted to your perfume or cologne. What draws them in is carbon dioxide, the gas we exhale with every breath. Mosquitoes can detect carbon dioxide from quite a distance, up to 50 meters away. The more you exhale, the more attractive you become. This is why people who are exercising, pregnant, or simply have larger body mass tend to attract more mosquitoes. In addition to carbon dioxide, mosquitoes are also attracted to body heat. They have specialized sensors that can detect the warmth radiating from our skin. This is why they often target exposed areas like our arms, legs, and ankles. Finally, everyone has a unique body odor, a cocktail of chemicals released through our skin. Some of these chemicals are more attractive to mosquitoes than others, and unfortunately, there's not much we can do to change our individual scent profile. Have you ever noticed that some blood types seem to be more appealing to mosquitoes? There's some evidence to suggest that this is true. Studies have shown that people with type O blood may be bitten twice as often as those with type A blood. People with type B blood fall somewhere in the middle. While the exact reasons for this are still being investigated, it's thought that blood type may influence the types of chemicals secreted through our skin. Pregnant women are also more likely to attract mosquitoes. This is likely due to a combination of factors. Pregnant women tend to have a higher body temperature and exhale more carbon dioxide. They also experience hormonal changes that can alter their body odor, making them more appealing to those pesky insects. It's important to note that even if you have a less attractive blood type or you're not pregnant, you're not completely off the hook. Mosquitoes are opportunistic feeders, and they will still bite if they're hungry enough. Section 4. The skin you're in, how bacteria play a role. Here's a fascinating fact. The trillions of bacteria that live on our skin, known as our skin microbiome, can also influence our attractiveness to mosquitoes. Different types of bacteria produce different chemicals, and some of these chemicals can either attract or repel mosquitoes. For example, some species of bacteria produce lactic acid, a component of sweat, which is known to attract mosquitoes. On the other hand, certain bacteria produce volatile compounds that have mosquito-repelling properties. The composition of our skin microbiome is influenced by a variety of factors, including our genetics, our environment, and even the products we use on our skin. While more research is needed to fully understand the complex interplay between our skin microbiome and mosquito attraction, it's clear that these tiny organisms play a significant role. Section 5. From clothing to cocktails, surprising factors in mosquito attraction. You might be surprised to learn that even our clothing choices can impact our chances of getting bitten. Mosquitoes use their vision to locate potential targets, and they are more attracted to dark colors such as black, navy blue, and red. This is because dark colors absorb more heat, making them more easily detectable by mosquitoes. Alcohol consumption is another factor that can increase your risk of mosquito bites. When you drink alcohol, your body temperature rises, and you exhale more carbon dioxide, both of which are like ringing the dinner bell for mosquitoes. So if you're planning to spend time outdoors, especially during peak mosquito hours, it's best to moderate your alcohol intake. Section 6. Outsmarting the bloodsuckers. Tips for reducing your bite appeal. Now that you understand what attracts mosquitoes, you can take steps to make yourself less appealing to these buzzing biters. First and foremost, use insect repellent. Look for repellents containing DEET, picaridin or oil of lemon eucalyptus, as these have been proven to be effective. Apply repellent to all exposed skin and reapply according to the instructions on the product label. When choosing your outdoor attire, opt for light-colored, loose-fitting clothing. This will not only make you less visible to mosquitoes, but it will also help keep you cool and comfortable. If you're going to be in an area with a high mosquito population, consider wearing long sleeves and pants even in warm weather. Try to avoid spending time outdoors during peak mosquito hours, which are typically dawn and dusk. If you must be outside during these times, take extra precautions to protect yourself from bites. And remember, standing water is a breeding ground for mosquitoes. So eliminate any sources of standing water around your home to help reduce the mosquito population in your area. Section 7. Beyond the itch. The importance of mosquito control. Mosquito bites are more than just a nuisance. These tiny insects are vectors for a number of serious diseases, including malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and West Nile virus. Mosquito-borne illnesses can cause a range of symptoms, from mild fever and headache to severe neurological complications and even death. That's why mosquito control is crucial for protecting public health. Efforts to control mosquito populations include eliminating breeding sites, using insecticides, and implementing biological control methods such as introducing mosquito-eating fish into ponds and other bodies of water. By understanding the factors that attract mosquitoes, we can take steps to protect ourselves from bites and reduce the spread of mosquito-borne diseases. Remember, mosquito control is everyone's responsibility. By working together, we can create a safer and healthier environment for all.